As promised in my last video, imagine soil that feeds your plants for years. No synthetic fertilizer, no fuss. Just nature doing what it was created to do. In today's video, I'll show you how to build living soil, a natural powerhouse that keeps your garden thriving. Living soil is more than dirt. It's a full ecosystem. Think beneficial microbes, worms, fungi, and organic matter all working together. When your soil is alive, it breaks down nutrients naturally, feeding your plants just like nature intended. Unlike chemical fertilizers that give a quick boost but fade fast, living soil builds long-term health. Your veggies grow faster, resist pests better, and taste better too. Plus, it saves money over time. No more constant fertilizing. To build living soil, start with these ingredients: compost, worm castings, rock dust or volcanic minerals, cocoa peat for texture, mulch on top to protect it. How to build living soil. To build powerful living soil, you only need 5 key ingredients. Let's break it down, including where to find them and what to use if you can't. 1. Compost, the foundation. What it does. Supplies organic matter and beneficial microbes. Where to get it? From your own kitchen scraps and garden waste, if composted properly. Local farmers markets or community gardens, garden centers. Tip: compost should smell earthy, not rotten. Next is worm castings, the microbial gold. What it does, adds rich microbes and gentle nutrients. Where to get it? Buy from organic garden shops, make your own with a vermicompost bin, even on a balcony. Substitute: aged compost tea, well-decomposed leaf mold, banana peel plus water soak for a mild microbe boost. Next is rock dust or volcanic minerals, long-term nutrients. What it does, slowly releases trace minerals that improve flavor and yield. Where to get it? Garden supply stores, ask for basalt dust or azomite, online marketplaces. Substitute: wood ash, sparingly, from untreated wood, crushed eggshells for a calcium boost, ground charcoal as a natural form of biochar. Next is cocoa peat moss, soil texture and moisture control. What it does, improves water retention and soil structure. Where to get it? Garden stores, online garden retailers. Tip: rehydrate cocoa peat bricks before mixing. Last but not the least is mulch, top layer, soil protector. What it does, keeps soil moist, cool, and feeds microbes as it breaks down. Where to get it? Shredded leaves, straw, grass clippings, dried banana leaves or chopped palm fronds, if tropical, or store-bought organic mulch. Mix, layer, water it, and give it time. Finally, ensure you mix ingredients thoroughly and let your soil rest for 7 to 10 days before planting, and let the biology do the rest. Water it lightly to activate the microbial life. Once your living soil is ready, plant directly into it. Whether you're growing in grow bags, raised beds, or buckets, your plants will thrive with less input and more resilience. If you want to garden naturally and sustainably, living soil is the secret. Try it and watch your garden thank you. Don't forget to grab your free tracker and subscribe for more family-friendly urban farming tips. Also remember to like and share. Finally, do not forget to comment as I produce video based on your comments. Till I come your way again, ensure you are growing on a living soil.